Hello kids, today we are going to discuss creative critical thinking skills question based on mathematics for class 8 chapter 1. Now first question is A, B and C are three rational numbers such that B is twice of A and C is two-thirds of B. So before answering the questions based on this theme, we will try to interpret the information which is given in the theme 1. So explanation of this is B is twice of A. That is, as per the question, we can write B is equal to 2A because twice means 2 into anything. So 2A, that will be our first equation. And the second information which is there is C is two-thirds of B. So C is replaced by is equal to sign two-thirds. That means 2 upon 3 of B, which can be written as C is equal to 2 by 3 into B. Now let's take first question, which is state yes or no for each of the following statements. First part of first question is if A is 7 upon 12, then B is 14 upon 12. So in order to check it, we will use the information which was given in the question, in the theme. Definitely the answer is yes. How did we get this answer as yes? That I'll explain you. Explanation is A is given as 7 upon 12. So, and also it was mentioned according to the question that B is twice of A. That means B is equal to 2 into A. So, when we will put the value of A in this B is equal to 2A, we will get B is equal to 2 into 7 upon 12. That is 2 into 7 is 14 upon 12. So yes, this is the right statement. So our answer was yes. Now come to the second part of first question. That is if B is 12, then C is 8. So in order to find that as well, we will use the information which was given in the theme 1. B is given as 12 and also it was mentioned as per the second condition of the question that C is equal to two-thirds of B. So we can write B is equal to 2 in this information in this equation. Now let's place B is equal to 12 in the above condition and then we will get C is equal to 2 upon 3 into 12. So when we'll cancel out 3 and 4, 12 with one another, or you can multiply 2 and 12, that will be 24 upon 3, which is nothing but 8. So you can see that this statement is also correct. Therefore, the answer will be yes. Statement B is also right. Now come to the third part of the first question, which is A is 3/4 of C. So in order to check that, we will use the same information which was given in the previous theme. As per the given question, B is equal to 2A and also second condition was C is equal to two-thirds of B. So on placing the value of B from equation 1 to equation 2, जब हम equation 1 से B की value C में place करेंगे, then we will get C is equal to 2 upon 3 into 2A, which will be equal to 4A upon 3, and then here we can interchange the values, transpose the values. 3 can be taken to with C, 3C, and then 4, which is in multiplication with A, can be go into division. So 3 upon 4 C is equal to A. So you can see that A is means is equal to sign 3/4, 3 upon 4th of C. So 3/4 of C. Here also this statement is also correct. Therefore we can say that C is also correct. Now let's move on to the question number second. That is, find the value of A plus B minus C if C is given as 1. So what we will do, हम C की value 1 रखेंगे and then A and B की values will also find out using the previous conditions and then place them in the question. So on placing C is equal to 1 in A plus B minus C, we will get A plus B minus 1. Now our target is to find the values of A and B. As per question, C was given as 2 upon 3B. So we can write C here as 1. So B can be taken as 3 upon 2C is equal to B. Then 3 upon 2, instead of C, we will write it as 1. And then we got the value of B, which is 3 by 2. Then we will find the value of A. In order to find the value of A, B is equal to 2A. So we will place the value B is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 2A. And then it will be A will be equal to 3 upon 4. On placing A and B's values in the question, we will get, which was A plus B minus C. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 1. And then on doing the LCM and then adding and subtracting all the values, 3 plus 6 minus 4 is upon 4. So the answer will be 5 upon 4. So this is the right answer. Now let's move on to the another question. Now the question number third says, if A equals 7 by 12, then check whether A into B is 2 times square of 7 by 12 or not. So in order to do this, first we will take the value of A, which is 7 upon 12. Now with this value, we will find the value of B, because according to the condition, B is equal to 2 times A. So B will be get 14 upon 12. Now when we will multiply both of these values, A into B, we will get 7 upon 12 into 14 upon 12, which is nothing but 98 upon 144. Now we will check whether 2 times square of 7 upon 12 is also equal to this or not. So for that, we will take 2 times square. 2 times means 2 into the square of, matlab square of 7 upon 12. When we will multiply both of these numbers, it will be 2 into 49 upon 144. Because square of 7 is 49, 12 का square होता है 144. When we will multiply both of these values, it will be 98 upon 144. So now here you can see that both of these values are same. This is 98 upon 144 and this is also 98 upon 144. So yes, we have checked that both of these values are same. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 4, which is, what is the value of A divided by C? So given that C is equal to 4 upon 3 into A, because this value we already got in previous question. So we will use this condition for finding A divided by C, that is A upon C. So now on transposing the value of 3 to other side, 3 is in division. Here जब हम यहाँ पर place करेंगे इसे left hand side पर, it will be 3C is equal to 4A. Now as we need to find A upon C, so we will take this C into the division and it will be, and then we will take this 4 into the division of 3. So 3 upon 4 will be equal to A upon C, which is nothing but A divided by C is equal to 3 upon 4. So that's it for fourth question. Now come to the question number 5. That is, express the multiplicative inverse of B in terms of A. So multiplicative inverse of B will nothing but 1 upon B. ठीक है, अब हम उसे A के terms में लिखेंगे. Multiplicative inverse of B is equal to 1 upon B. Therefore, given that B is equal to 2A, so we can write 1 अपॉन बी इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2a। जहां पर b हमने डिनोमिनेटर में लिखा है वहीं पर हम 2a लिखेंगे। So in this way we have expressed this in terms of a. That's it. Thank you so much.